Which TVs have the YouTube TV app? The YouTube TV app is available on a wide range of smart TVs and streaming devices. Here's a breakdown of supported TVs by brand and operating system. 1. Google TV and Android TV. Supported brands: Sony Smart TVs, TCL Smart TVs, Hisense Smart TVs, Philips Smart TVs, Sharp Smart TVs. Why? These TVs come with built-in Google TV or Android TV operating systems, making YouTube TV easily accessible through the Google Play Store. Second, Samsung Smart TVs. Supported models: 2016 models and newer. Why? Samsung Smart TVs come with the YouTube TV app pre-installed or available through the Samsung Smart Hub. Third, LG Smart TVs. Supported models: LG Smart TVs with WebOS 3.0 and newer. Why? The YouTube TV app can be downloaded from the LG Content Store on compatible models. Czwarty, Vizio SmartCast TVs. Supported models: all Vizio SmartCast models, 2016 and later. Why? Vizio SmartCast TVs come with built-in Chromecast, allowing direct streaming of YouTube TV through the SmartCast interface. Pate Roku TVs. Supported brands: TCL Hisense, Sharp Element RCA. Why? Roku-powered smart TVs support the YouTube TV app through the Roku Channel Store. Sixth, Fire TV Edition Smart TVs. Supported brands: Toshiba Insignia. Why? These Amazon Fire TV models have access to YouTube TV via the Amazon App Store. 7. Apple TV. Not a TV, but supported device. Supported models: Apple TV 4K all versions, Apple TV HD. Why? Apple TV works with YouTube TV through its App Store. How to access YouTube TV on smart TVs. Step 1. Open your TV's App Store: Google Play, Samsung Smart Hub, LG Content Store, etc. Step 2. Search for YouTube TV. Step 3. Download and install the app. Step 4. Launch the app and sign in with your Google account.